So welcome to this beautiful home.
MetroGuide Realty, your Metro Manila real estate guide, brings you our latest property tour video of a brand new 5-bedroom house and lot for sale located in a safe, secure but very accessible area in BF Homes Paranaque City. So here's a view of this spacious and beautiful home, and here's another angle so that you can appreciate its modern design. This home also comes with a well-spaced 3-car garage. And with that, let's begin the tour.
Hi, this is Bautista from MetroGuide Realty and welcome to a brand new property tour video for a beautiful 5-bedroom, brand new single detached corner lot house and lot for sale located in an excellent and accessible area here in BF Homes Paranaque City. So one of the great things about this property that stood out for us is the fact that it's almost walking distance to Aguirre Avenue, which is one of the main thoroughfares here in BF Homes. So right now we're gonna tour this big and spacious home. But before we do that, let's start by taking a look at the property's features.
For the property's features, it has a floor area of 358 square meters, a lot area of 316 square meters, with 2 stories situated on a corner lot. In terms of the other major features, it has 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, a 3-car garage, as well as a den on the second floor, a second floor balcony, a main kitchen and a daily kitchen, a maid's room, and a driver's room.
Let's go. Welcome. So the first thing that you see here is this landscaped area in front of the house. And right now, iikutin po natin yung ating parking area and utility area sa likod before we go into the house. Let's go. So here's the big parking space, good for 3 SUVs.
Here's another view of the parking area for your appreciation.
Let's go. So here in the utility area, we have our driver's room. We also have a maid's room. And here we also have a toilet and bath as well. And here we have an access door going into the house, into the kitchen area. Let's go. So we're gonna walk here so that we can go all around the house. Let's go. So welcome to this beautiful home. So welcome. The first thing that you notice here is the huge space. So my voice is almost echoing because of the size. So I'm going to move over there. So here. So this can be your dining area, and you can have this whole area as your living space. And it also has this great wooden panel design here where you can have a big widescreen TV as well. And another thing is it flows very naturally into the main kitchen over there, which we'll take a look now. So ito po yung ating main kitchen area. So we have this big counter top island here. And it's a big open space as well. So you can imagine your family gathering around in this area and having your big dining table here and big sofas here in the receiving and living area. Okay. And it also has a second kitchen area. So this is a second kitchen area where you can do food preparation as well. And this is the door which we showed you before that leads outside, palabas po din sa utility area. So dito po siya. Okay? Now let's go to the first bedroom here. So very convenient po yung door. It's just a swing push door na wala na pong handle. Let's go to the first bedroom. So if you have family members who don't want to go up and down stairs, this is an ideal room as well. So let's take a look. So here's the first bedroom. So in terms of size, ano po yung size niya? Okay. Now let's head on over to the second floor. Okay. Before we go to the second floor, let me very quickly show you the powder room here as well. We also have a powder room here in the first floor. So if you have guests coming in, they can come in here to freshen up. Here. Okay, so let's go. And it also has a very nice design in terms of the staircase. It has wood handles as well as this glass partition as well. So let's go. Welcome to the second floor, and here's a second living room. So let me just show you the size. So this is already actually the main living room of other house and lots. But here, ito pa lang po yung second living room. This is like your second living room or den dito sa second floor. And I'd also like you to take a look at the nice design here in terms of this big almost floor to ceiling window. So it lets a lot of natural light into the room. So even if patayin po natin yung lights, maaliwalas po siya in the mornings. Okay. And we also have a small balcony area here. So, I'm going to stand here para makita niyo po yung size niya. So this is a nice area that you can open this up in the afternoons, and you can have a table or a few chairs here where your family can relax in. Okay? Now let's take a look at the bedrooms in this home. So this is the second bedroom. Nice. So ito po, napaka-aliwalas niya. Almost the whole room is made up of windows, as you can see, up to here. And on top of that, miski wala pong lights, napakaliwanag po niya. So it also has, on top of that, its own bathroom. Here. Let me just show you. So ito po yung size niya. These are the actual fixtures that you will find here. And it also has its own built-in closet cabinet. There. Okay, now let's go to the next room. So this is already the third bedroom that we're looking at. So welcome. This is the third bedroom. So this is the third bedroom. It also has built-in cabinets here. And its own bathroom over here. Okay. Now let's head on over to the fourth and fifth bedrooms. A great feature of this house is the fact that it has a very central design in terms of this second den area. You have 4 different rooms who are all accessing this central area. So it's a great place for the family to come together. So dito po. So this is our 4th bedroom. Okay. So this is our 4th bedroom. There. And it also has its own bathroom. And closet space as well. There. Now let's go to the 5th bedroom. Okay. So welcome to the 5th bedroom. So this is actually slightly larger than the other rooms. So if you want, ito po yung pwede nyo piliin to be your master's bedroom if you would like. Because on top of that, it has a slightly bigger space for the walk-in closet area here. So may 3 cabinets po siya here. 2 and 3. And hindi pa po tapos yung area, but for the dito po, meron po tayong double sink here sa bathroom. Okay. So that actually ends our quick property tour of this beautiful 5-bedroom, 5-bathroom, 3-car garage, brand new single detached house and lot for sale located here in BF Homes Paranaque City. So this is a really great home if you have a big family, if you want to have at least 4 to 5 bedrooms. This is an excellent place because it has a lot of space. Nakita niyo po, it has a big living space downstairs and a big living space dito po sa 2nd floor. And it's centrally designed para yung ating 4 bedrooms, they all come together po. So if you want to know more about this property and visit it in person, just get in touch with us in the email and number shown here. Don't forget to click that like button and that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. So once again, my name is Jake Bautista from MetroGuide Realty. Thank you for joining us in our latest property tour video, and we look forward to bringing you and your family clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.
Contact us today in the email and number shown here, and you can click the description below for the unit price and size. Just click that subscribe button right there in the middle if you want to be notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.